Hey guys, this is Tim with Tim's Tech. Today I'll be showing you what to install after first installing Windows or when you buy a new PC. So let's get started. First I'm going to open my browser. First one we're going to install is Avast Antivirus. This is the one I use for my antivirus. You want to go to the website, hit free download, and it'll load. We'll be able to download it. Hit save file, and it'll be saved in your downloads folder if you're using Firefox. Then you'll go in, double click that, and follow the steps to install Avast or whatever antivirus you want. And when it's done, it'll be in this little tray icon here. Next one, we're going to go get CCleaner. It is a free tool to help optimize and tune your PC. And hit the first one. It'll be ccleaner.com. And go hit the free one, and it'll download. You hit download. Same thing, you go into your downloads folder and download this program, install it, follow the steps on the screen when it comes up. Next one will be Defraggler. Helps defrag your PC, get your PC in order. Same thing, hit the ccleaner.com. It'll download. The next thing is whatever browser you want to use. You'll go into your search engine, find whatever one you want. Let's take Firefox for example. And it'll bring you to where you'll find the Mozilla website or Google Chrome, whatever you want. You hit download, you'll follow the on-screen instructions when it loads up. Let's see, next one will be Microsoft Office. I have it already installed in here, but you can get Microsoft Office at Microsoft's website. Search for Office. You can get your Office 365, or you can go to your local Best Buy, Walmart, or what have you, or even Amazon, get a copy of it there and install it. Then, let's see. And that's the first things we would do after installing Windows or buying a new PC. Let me show you how to install a piece of software. Let's go to Downloads. I'm going to go to the CCleaner. It'll come up with your user access. Hit yes. It'll load up. You'll click install. It'll install it. You could run the cleaner right after. It's good to do that after it's good to run your CCleaner, Defraggler after you've installed all your software you wanted on your PC. And that will be the first few things you install after buying Windows or buying a new PC. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like, subscribe, and follow my Tim's Tech YouTube page on Facebook.